Welcome to another episode of Agile in the AI era. Today we're uncovering a common trap, why even experienced project managers often misuse Agile, and more importantly, how you can avoid it. Many project managers adopt Agile frameworks but fail to shift their mindset. They treat Agile as a process to follow, not a way of thinking. That's where the problem starts. In my book, I talk about this distinction. Agile isn't about daily stand-ups or burn-down charts. It's about adapting, learning, and delivering value early and often. Let's break down 3 key misuses. First, teams treat sprints as fixed cycles rather than flexible learning loops. Second, they obsess over velocity, not outcomes. Third, they forget the customer in the process. Take Team Alpha. They hit all their sprint targets on paper. But users didn't find the new features useful. Feedback was delayed, and morale dropped. So, what's the fix? Rethink your Agile practices. Make space for feedback. Measure impact, not just delivery. And empower your team to challenge processes when needed. You can use my free Agile project readiness checklist to assess where you are and where to shift. The link is in the description below. If this helped clarify your path, like and subscribe for more Agile and AI insights. And don't forget to get your book Agile in the AI era. Drop a comment below, what Agile mistake have you seen most?